What's up, everyone? It's Eric with Option Edge, and today I'm looking at a company called HIMS, a small healthcare company that specializes in subscription services. It's currently trading around $8.50 a share, and what I have pulled up here is a little report by Likefolio. I won't go into too much detail about what Likefolio is or how it works, but basically it is mines data from social media analytics and can measure the what they call purchase intent and positive reviews about the company based on people just simply tweeting about it. For example, if someone bought an iPhone, they said, "I just bought the iPhone 12. I love it." That would be a positive sentiment. And then they can also see purchase intent percentage, which is also something like just bought the new iPhone would be a purchase intent mention. So in this little graph here, you can see x-axis has the purchase intent change. So year over year, 2021 versus 2019. So anything that's in the right quadrant here is going to mean that the purchase intent year over year is increasing. So we have Teladoc, I'm not sure what company that is, and then we have HIMS over here. And the higher it is in the on the graph, the more positive the reviews are, and the better the consumer happiness. Okay, so and this over here is explaining that, and it's saying that right now HIMS is an outlier, showing outperformance in both areas. Okay. And the relative size of the dots on the chart show that HIMS has a long way to go in terms of adoption. Okay, so it's still a very small company, but demand growth and consumer happiness are both leading the industry. Okay, so here's rising consumer demand. They're just showing also customers are happy. Blah blah blah. Telehealth is a large trend that seems to be increasing, a macro tailwind, so to speak. So overall, it's an interesting company and it has a lot of potential. And it looks like, based on social media analytics, that will be growing. And these guys say the stock can gain more than 100% within the next 2 years. So I'm not looking to buy the stock. I'm looking to do some option plays with this. So I was looking at the options chain, and if you bear with me, for a sec, go back to this Likefolio. Bear with me. All right. Thanks for bearing with me. I have the option chain. This is for a month away, maybe like 32 days. Today is the 16th. So this is like 32, 31 days away. And I was looking to run basically the wheel strategy like we've been doing in some of these other growth stocks. So actually so to secure this put, you need $750. And it's, not too long ago, this was over $50 a contract to sell. So probably what I'm going to do, and this is an advice, is I'm going to set a limit order for 50 cents, see if I can get that filled. And then for $750 in 30 days, I can earn 50 cents as long as we stay above that 750 mark. Okay, so here's the chart. So it's a pretty ugly chart. You see, we've been on a pretty bad downtrend, but we did have good earnings. So that's another thing to discuss. Their revenue guidance. They raised their guidance, which was above expectations, and they had some good earnings recently. So I don't think we're going to see this company go beyond its low point. So I think selling the $7.5 put in this situation is a low risk bet to make, and maybe a somewhat, I don't want to use the word easy, but a good way to pocket $50 with only $750 up front. And if that's about a 6.6% return on capital. I'm just going to open up this. Let's do 50 divided by 750 times 100, and that's 6.6 return on capital. Now, if we go to some of my other cover call videos, we were earning about 2 to 3% return on capital. Okay, and those also were longer than just 30 days. So I think this is a good opportunity to. We have some fat premiums here. So another thing you could consider is getting the credit here. Okay, if you sell a put for let's just call it $2, and the stock doesn't move, you're going to get that your cost will be $8, which is lower than the current price. So it's not a bad thing either. So anyway, that's what I have to show you guys today. This is an advice, like and subscribe, but there's definitely some fat premiums here, and looks like there's some good opportunity to make some money. So, all righty, take care. Take it easy. Have a good one. Happy trading.